Good morning, class 7. How are you guys doing? I guess you all are doing good, fit and fine. It's great. Leading a disciplined life. So, I'm going to start today again today SSC. We were on page 216, the general election, by-election and the midterm election. We had done till if a member of a parliament or of a state legislator dies or resigns before completion of the term, then an election is held to fill that particular seat. This type of elections are called by-elections. I had explained it in the last class. The person elected in a by-election serves only for the remaining period in the term left by the previous member or till the house is dissolved. 5 years term, suppose he's done 2 years, 3 years are left, he's going to do it for 3 years. Under certain circumstances, the president may, on the advice of the Prime Minister, dissolve the Lok Sabha before the completion of his term of 5 years and order fresh elections to constitute a new house. Although it actually is a general election, people often refer to it as a midterm election, as it is held before time. The house constituted by a midterm election will have a 5-year term. Thus, legally it is a general election held in midterm. Midterm elections are also held for state assemblies. By-election will be only the limited period which is left, and midterm will be full 5 years they'll get again. Okay. Now, what's an election campaign? Every political party and every candidate tries to reach out to as many voters as possible. That you must have seen. The parties appeal to the voters to vote for them, but in large constituencies, it may not be possible for candidates to conduct door-to-door campaigns. So they make use of various methods of canvassing, including public meetings, wall posters, roadside hoardings, processions by supporters, and house visits by local leaders. In addition to these traditional methods, political parties now also make use of the radio, television, and SMS. About this main campaign is the manifesto. The manifesto has to be important. It has to hit the brain and the heart. If the manifesto is okay, your campaigning will go hundreds. Okay, now what is a manifesto? Manifesto is a public declaration of policy and aims what that party wants to do, either before the election by a political party or the candidate. Example, what is the BJP manifesto highlights? The 75 promises for India. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP President Amit Shah and other senior parties launched a Sankalp Patra, BJP's manifesto for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. What are we going to do by 2030? We will make India the third largest economy of the world by another 10 years or 9 years. Ram Mandir, doubling farmers' income, abrogation of Article 35A also found mention in the ruling party's poll manifesto. He looks at the 75 resolutions that the BJP visions for India. What are the BJP engines? By 22, he is going to target doubling farmers' income, enabling creation of 10,000 new farmer producer organizations. Market avenues by Mantri Asha Yojana, Grams, then Inams. Okay. And then the maximum farmers get income support under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana. Launch of pension scheme for small and marginal farmers to ensure social security after age of 60. Work towards completing all irrigation projects under the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Provide short-term new agricultural loans of rupees 1 lakh at 0% interest for 1 to 5 years on the condition of prompt repayment of the principal amount. Increase the cropped area under irrigation. All weather activity connectivity for every village. Then the Matsya Sampada Yojana for all fishermen, so that they can store their fish properly. %, disposal of liquid waste and reuse of wastewater. Land records will be digitized. For youth and education, aim to cover all secondary schools under one operational digital board. Investment of 1 lakh crore in higher education through RISE, RISE, revitalizing of infrastructure and systems of education. Increasing number of seats for premier management institutes. So many things. These are called manifestos. Ensure a pakka house to every family. Ensure the LPG gas cylinder connection to all the poor rural households. 100% electricity in all households. Every citizen should have a bank account. Ensure a toilet in every household. Potable drinking water for all households. Double length of highways. So these are the things which is there. So many things they are going to do. Lot of things are there. So these are the manifesto. This is called a manifesto. What they are going to do for the party. An election manifesto is a document issued by every party before a general election. It lists the party's policies and programs for the future. This way, voters can decide whom they would like to vote for. As I said, if the manifesto is correct, 50% vote is yours. Rest 50% vote or 25% vote, 75% you want to get that straight win. You have to show some work. Now it's not only saying that I'm going to do, you have to do it and show it. According to the manifesto, you have to do your election campaign. Everything has got an example. So with their manifesto also they have to show examples of what they are doing. If they are a ruling party, they'll be showing you, like BJP has already shown you. Isn't it? This is the formality. I'll come back in the next video.